God, I know you're working all things for my good. That's how you grow. That's how you come out stronger, more confident, more loving, more forgiving. When the Israelites were in the desert, on the way to the promised land, the scripture says God didn't take them the easiest way because they weren't prepared for war. There were enemies that were bigger and stronger that would have defeated them. They had to go through some things to get ready for what God had in store. The longer route wasn't because God just wanted to make their life miserable, having to deal with delays, not knowing what they were going to. People coming against them, that was all strategic. That was growing them up, making them stronger. God knew they needed that to go into the promised land. The reason you face difficulties, things that may not seem fair, is because God has an awesome future in store for you. Where God is taking you is going to take greater faith, greater strength, greater patience.